children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine with your family? Yes. Children, today I will take third class English. Okay children? So open your textbook children, everyone. Collins English Grammar and Composition 3. Open children. So children, already we learned 12th lesson verb. Last class we learned 12th lesson verb. Isn't it children? Yes. Now children, today we learn 13th lesson. Am, is, are. Lesson 13. Am, is, are. So ready children? You have learned that am, are are verbs. So am, is, already you learned children. Am, is, are verbs which show that something is happening at the present time. So will show children that sometimes happening at the present time. Each of them is used with different kinds of nouns and pronouns. So children, we use different kinds of nouns and pronouns. Am. First is am. So first is I am a cyclist. I am a Freddy. I am a dog. I am a Santa. I am is only one children. No singular, no plural. So only one. I am. That is singular. Okay children. So I am a cyclist. I am a dancer. I am a writer. I am a cook, chef. Anyone? I am. So I am is only one children. That is singular. Okay. I am a Santa. We use the verb I am with the pronoun. So children, when we use the verb that is I am, that is a pronoun. Okay children. Is. So next is. Read this sentence. He is a big boy. So is singular. Yes children. So is singular children. Okay. Is singular. So he is a big boy. Is only one word. So singular. She is a tennis player. So she is a tennis. So only single word. She only single word is. The box is heavy. So here is also here. Box is heavy. Box only single word. So is singular. When use the verb is the singular noun. Yes children. So where we use the verb is singular is, that is what children? Singular noun. The pronoun he, she and its and with his and the. So these all are he, she and it with this and that. These are pronouns. Understood children? Yeah. So next are. Next is are. Are is what children? Plural. Is singular. Are is plural. So read this sentence. We are friends. So one or two, three members. We are. So are is plural. So one extra children. Okay. We are in Shimla. So we are friends. So we all are Shimla. There are 4 for us. So how many children? There are 4 for us. You are also in Shimla. You coat or cap or pretty. So children, here coat or cap. So 2 words children. So 2 words means plural. Understood children? Yes. So next, these are our cats. So these are our here. How many cats, children? Two cats, because are. These are two cats. So are is plural. One or more than one. Okay, children? They are cubes. So two cats are there. So they are cute cats. We use the verb with the plural nouns. The pronouns you, we and they and we, these, those are there. Yes, children. We use the verb are, plural nouns. The pronouns you, we and they, we, these, those are there. Okay, children, understood? So, children, I am means only one. I am. So, is in singular. This is a cat. So, only one person is. This is singular. Are. So, more than one children are. These are my books. So many books. So, these are my books. So, are is plural. Understood, children? Yes. So, children, see here, page number 57, A bit, fill in the blanks, is, are. So, write neatly, children, in your textbook. Everyone should write neatly, okay? So, A bit. Fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. Okay, children? So, first one, already here gave children, she is a good student. So, first one is already here gave. Okay, children? So, second one, I dash in Dehradun today. So, what is here, children? I am in Dehradun today. So, third one, he is sad today. is. So, fourth one, are you fan of Virat Kohli, the cricketer? Are. So, fifth one, we are they in cinema hall? Are children? Okay? Yes. Now sixth one. Swati is the oldest of the three sisters. Swati is oldest of the three sisters. So seventh one, I am very happy today. Am. Eighth one, you are a very tall. So you are very tall. So write neatly, children. She is a good student. So first one already here gave. Second one, I am in Dehradun today. Am. So third one, he is sad today. So is. So fourth one, dash, you a fan of Virat Kohli, the cricketer? Are you fan of Virat Kohli, the cricketer? Fifth one, where are they? So first one also are they in the cinema hall? Are. Sixth one, Swati is the oldest of the three sisters. So is. So seventh, I am very happy today. Am. So you are very tall. So are. Finish, children? Yes. So see, children, B bit. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Okay, children. So first one, I a good girl. So I am a good girl. I is a good girl. Yes, children. So I am a good girl. So underline, children, tick and add a dash also. She is 8 years old. So second one, I is. Third one, they are my friends. A-R-E-R. So they are my friends. Fourth one, he is a footballer. I-S-E, footballer. So fifth one, the toy is broken. I-S-E. Sixth one, I am a cartoonist. A-M-M. I am a cartoonist. So my hobbies are collecting stamp and drawing. So A-R-E-R. So eighth one, many people are fond of Rupesh. So A-R-E-R. So write neatly, children, in your textbook. Yes, children. Write neatly in your textbook and write it, children. Write correct word. Yes, finish. So see, children, third bit. What is the third bit, children? Let us write. Let us write. Okay. So first one, answer these questions. Answer these questions. Write neatly, children. Page number 58. Okay. Which school do you go to? First question. So answer what, children? Which school do you go to? So I study in which school, children? Seed school. So first answer is I study in Seed school. So write neatly, children. So second one, which class are you in? So answer is I am in class 3. Okay, children. So third one is, what is the third question, children? What is the name of your class teacher? What is your class teacher name, children? The name of my class teacher Mrs. Kavita. Okay, children, write neatly. The name of my class teacher is Mrs. Kavita. So, fourth question. What is the fourth? How many students are in your class? How many students in your class, children? Yes, there are 20 students in my class. 20 students in my class. Yes. So now children, sixth one and fifth, sixth, seventh, 3 bits are there. So you first write 4 questions. So first one is, which school do you go to? I study in Seed School. Which class are you in? I am in class 3. What is the name of your class teacher? The name of my class teacher is Mrs. Kavita. How many students are there in your class? There are 20 students in my class. So now children, 3 question answers is there. 5th one, 6th one, 7th one. So write neatly in your textbook. So what is the 5th question, children? Who is your best friend in school? So here children, 5th one, my best friend write your best friend name, children, here. 3rd class students. So here my best friend name is Suchet. Okay. So 6th one. What subject do you study? I study English, Maths, Social, Telugu. Okay, children? Yes. So, next, 7th one. Which is your favorite subject? So, my favorite subjects in English. So, my favorite subject in English is English. Write 3 questions also, children. Okay. Yes. So finish, children. Write neatly. My best friend Suchet. So write your best friend name, children. So I here write Suchet name. Okay. I study English, Math, Social, Telugu. My favorite subject is English. Everyone should write neatly in your textbook, children. Okay? Yes, children. Finish? Okay. So, children, your 13th lesson R is completed. So, you write classwork notes and textbook compulsory completed, children. I'll check your notes and textbook also. Okay, understood, children? So We'll meet you next class, children. Bye, children. Take care.